Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the exercise work as we have completed chapter 1 of history. In chapter 1 of history, we have understand that what the modern Indian history is all about, how it has been come and what we have studied in modern history. But now the exercise work is also important. So we will go through the short portions and long portion. After the video, I will send you the PDF also so that you can note down in your notebooks as soon it will get to you. So let's start with the short question answer. First, there are three kind of questions in short question in your exercise. That is, how is medieval period is different from modern period. हमें पता है कि 3 periods में divide किया गया है. पहली चीज है ना, ancient, medieval and modern. अब हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा जा रहा है कि मेडिवल पीरियड मॉडर्न पीरियड से कैसे डिफरेंशिएट है, राइट? तो हमें इसमें क्या लिखना है, वी हैव टू टेल देम दैट जो हमारा मेडिवल पीरियड था और मॉडर्न पीरियड था उसमें क्या मेन डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, तो द पीरियोडिज्म ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री जो आपका पेज नंबर 17 है, ओके, चैप्टर 1 का, उसमें आपने बताना है that the periodization of Indian history is borrowed from the West, as we know, है ना. तो in the West modern period जो है वो कैसे कंसीडर किया गया, क्योंकि जो periodization है पीरियड का वो वेस्ट से कैरी किया है. तो यहाँ पे मॉडर्न पीरियड को क्या कंसीडर किया जाता था, that the modern period was known linked with the growth of forces, ग्रोथ से डिनाई के साथ हम इसको रिलेट करते हैं. तो ग्रोथ ऑफ फोर्सेस, ओके, एंड देन लेटर ऑन ऑफ मॉडर्निटी, फोर्सेस ऑफ किसकी, मॉडर्निटी के से फोर्सेस के साथ हम इसे डिराइव करते हैं. क्या है, व्हाट आर द मॉडर्निटी, दे आर लाइक modernity are what, like democracy, okay, democracy means azadi. हमें we have the right to take decision, we have right to choose religion, है ना. तो we are a democratic India country is a democratic country ना. So we have democracy, okay. In a modern period we can do science work also. There are many technological development has been taken place in modern period. Reason, there we can ask a reason for any problem related to the government or policy, political, any kind of problem if we've been facing, or if we're thinking that this is not right, then we can ask for that, okay. And then liberty, and then what we have been known about, equality and equality. So these are the things: modernity, democracy, science, reason, liberty and equality. These are the some of the things which have been aware about, known for. And as modern period is known with all these things, okay. अब medieval period किससे relate करता है, we have to know that also, because here what we've been asking differences. तो हमें differences बताना है medieval period और modern period में. modern period में हमने बता दिया democracy है, rights है, we can ask for the reason, independence, everything is there, है ना. science, technology, everything is been developing. अब medieval period जो है that describe medieval period हमें किस चीज को describe कर रहा है, it has been describing us about the terms and feature of the society, describing a society, describe a society. This can come in your 1 mark question as well and in short term question also. Describe us about society where feature of modern society does not exist. यहाँ पे modern society does not exist. In medieval period, okay, in medieval period the modern society does not exist, means democracy is not there, right of religion, caste is not there, science is not well developed, we cannot ask reason for any kind of problem. So all these things are not there in the medieval period, and in modern period everything were there. So this is the major difference between modern period and medieval period. Now coming towards the second question. What the second question indicates? Briefly describe. Now briefly is also there and describe is also there. So take care of this. It will not complete in one line. You have to write about 2 to 3 lines and according to the question. Okay, question marks also you have to take care. Briefly describe serving as a means for reconstructing the colonial history. Colonial history के बारे में हमें पूछा जा रहा है कि आप colonial history के बारे में कैसे पता क्या है और serving उसमें किस तरह से reconstruct करते हैं. How the serving has been working there. Okay, so what will be the answer in this? First of all, you need to know what is serving. See, the Britishers, आप अगर अपने topic page number 9 पे जाओगे, there you will get in serving that the British believes, Britishers जो है वो believe करते थे that to rule any country effectively, अगर हम किसी country को effectively rule करना चाहते हैं, then we need to know the country property. इसी से serving derived हुई है. So during the early 19th century, हमने पहले भी बात किया था कि 19th century के टाइम पे क्या हुआ, late 18 में और early 19th century में what does happen कि the revenue survey was taken place. Revenue survey जो है revenue survey, इसमें क्या हुआ था? If you remember, just comment me under. I want to know that आपको पता है कि नहीं revenue survey के टाइम क्या किया गया था. Okay, revenue survey were conducted in the villages. जो villages पे conduct किया था, towns के बारे में we get to know about the towns, village population rate, everything, growth rate, what kind of agriculture activities has been taken, climatical conditions, what things are beneficial, what are non-beneficial things, how the people lives or the place, everything was being surveyed by the Britishers. And in this survey provide the information. तो ये जो survey है उसे हमने information provide हुई Britishers को. Okay, they've been provided the information regarding what? The information was provided regarding size. Okay, what is the size of the area, how it has been worked. ठीक है, population के बारे में हमें पता चला. We get to know about the population and then caste and religion. Caste के बारे में, religion के बारे में, absolutely right ना? And also the occupation. That what our farmers do at that time, everything will be aware about them. So that's why the survey or surveying is important. This was the reconstruction of the colonial history. This way the colonial history was reconstructed. Why? How? Because they have done a complete survey in an area where they get to know about the population, they get to know about the size, caste, religion, occupation. Okay, so all this information was well aware about, and this was the main thing. Now moving over the third question. What the third question indicate? That how have museums and archivers help in providing information? Information कैसे मिलती है? About the history of India. Always go on the key points. Key points से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है. According to that, answer the question. Don't think that what I am giving in your PDF or what I am writing on the board, you just write down and cram it. Never cram the words. Rather, try to understand the topic and form your own in your own language. Try to form the question. Okay. So for that, what is important? You have to understand the key points of the question. Now here, what question has been asking from us? कि म्यूजियम्स और आर्चीवर्स बने. वी हैव गेट टू नो अबाउट ना कि in archival were constructed in 1920, and in Delhi it was being formed. Museum was formed, National Museum in Delhi, where the researchers do researches. So how do that help in the history of India? हमें information कैसे मिलती है इंडिया की हिस्ट्री के बारे में? तो आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे कहते the Britishers made efforts. ब्रिटिशर्स ने पहले एफर्ट्स किए किसके लिए? डॉक्यूमेंट्स को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, प्रिजर्व करने के लिए, ठीक है. The Britishers ने see I will write in form but I am explaining you, so I am writing in short form keynotes. So please take care of that also. So Britishers have done what? Britishers have preserved the documents. So you can form ना, आपको अब एक लाइन में क्या वर्ड याद रखना है? ब्रिटिशर, उन्होंने प्रिजर्व किया डॉक्यूमेंट्स को, ठीक है. इसे आप इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. Then which or what kind of documents were they? They were all the government documents were there, right? Government documents were there, and these government document या departments maintain their record files. Departments थे, documents के department है, और ये departments क्या करते हैं? ये departments records रखते हैं, record files को store करते हैं, right? So this way, therefore museums and archives were constructed. For what it was constructed? To administrative account. Preserve किसके लिए हुआ? ये चीज है ना, प्रिजर्व करने के लिए. ये स्टोर रूम है, यहाँ पे प्रिजर्व हो रहा है कोई चीज, ठीक है. तो दे आर बीन, just write properly so that you will be able to understand. Preserve, okay, they've been able to preserve in their storeroom. Okay, these museums and archivers preserved the administrative documents. कौन से documents preserve कर रहे हैं? Administrative documents. Okay, we just go through it once again. Britishers थे, उन्होंने प्रिजर्व किए डॉक्यूमेंट्स. उस कौन से गवर्नमेंट के डॉक्यूमेंट्स कहाँ प्रिजर्व किए? रिकॉर्ड फाइल्स में. वो रिकॉर्ड फाइल्स जो स्टोर रूम में प्रिजर्व हो रही है, सिमिलरली उन्हें देख के म्यूजियम्स और अचीवर्स भी बने 1920 में इन दिल्ली, जो क्या प्रिजर्व कर रहे हैं? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिकॉर्ड या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डॉक्यूमेंट्स. अंडरस्टूड? दिस ओनली यू हैव टू राइट, and therefore we will able to this provide us information about India of history. Indian history के बारे में हमें ये information archival और museum से इसलिए मिल जाती है because they have been preserving the record. administrative record जो है वो preserve हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Understood? Now moving towards the long question answers, right? So long questions में हमारे को क्या पूछा गया है? पहला क्वेश्चन है, why are dates important and for which event can we not fix dates? Now this question is well explained to you because I have shared a video also with you in the previous class. So from there only you are getting the things. Why the dates are important? So that we can remember the events, the problems or any kind of things which have been happened in the past time that we can able to understand, right? So date in history is very important. It will be in your page number 8, the second paragraph, dates in history, where you will get the question. Date in history are very important. They are very important for us. Why? क्योंकि a collection of historical facts जो है, okay, historical facts जो है, हमें इसकी knowledge मिलती है. We get to know about the historical facts, that what had happened, what had been done, everything we get to know about. Okay, so and also we've been able to understand the facts. Useless piles है या information है जो कि unless events were arrogant, मतलब arranged हुए हैं event और sequentially in order, like क्या chronological form है, when the first event was happened, when the second event was happened, when the third event was happened. It have a specific dates, and get to know about these things, when the time, at what time, whether it was first, whether it was second, what number of time it was being aware about. तो historical facts के लिए और इन सब information के लिए we get to know about the dates. Moving on, in history we study about the changes. हम changes के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, what the changes that occur over a period of time, like some period of time के लिए जो changes आए हैं, like in 1756 में what was there, and in 1990s में क्या हुआ, 17s के बाद 19s में आते आते क्या changes आए, we get to know about in history only. And how do we get to know? By the period of time, है ना. We know here that it is 17th century, what had happened, what events happened, we get to know here. And what happened in 19th, that we get to know, information we get to know in this century, right? So with the period of time, the information which we've been getting, and the moment we make comparisons between the past and the present, means हम जब इन दोनों, ये past है हमारा for example, और ये हमारा present है, अब इनके बीच में हम relation बना ले और हम इनके बीच में जो भी changes अक्कर हुए हैं उनको comparisons, उनको compromise कर ले या उनको हम collect कर ले कि भी what have happened and what have not, relationship form कर लेते हैं, before और after की information हम ले लेते हैं, before और after की, तो हमें dates चाहिए होती है. That's why we need the dates. But when we don't need the dates, when the dates and events, जो भी dates है, जो भी events है, they act as a landmark. We know that they have been acted, but because lasting impact to create, और last form of impact हम पे create कर सके, वहाँ पे हमें historical facts की जहाँ पे information मिल गई है, उन events में हमें dates को fix नहीं करने की ज़रूरत. We know that what had happened in our past time and what is happening in our present, what was the before situation and after situation. In that period we don't need a particular date. At that time we have been indicating with the time कि इस time पे ऐसा हुआ था. We don't have a fixed period, okay, like we say ना late 19s या late 18s में this event was happened, and by the time changes the things were completely different. तो वहाँ पे हमें particular date नहीं है, like 15 August for Independence Day, this is a particular date. So in that period of time we don't need a particular date, okay. We know that this thing will be done at that moment of time. So this is the question, what it all about. What does colonization means? How did it affect India? Complete meaning of colonial कैसे है, और आपको चूजिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स में से आपने वो क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे डालना है. यहाँ पे colonization का मीनिंग आप डालोगे कैसे. See, colonization is a process. It is a kind of process in which the subjugations, जो भी हमारे subjugations हो रहे हैं from one country to another, means whatever the changes has been conducted from one country to another, what kind of trade has been conducted from one country to another, it leads to a political, economical and social cultural changes. We know ना, and these are changes are consequently, मतलब sequentially country में consequently हो रही है, one by one another is being interrelated. And this colonization exploit the regions as well as people to subjugate country to promote its own interest. मतलब वो बाकी जो countries है उसका interest indicate करने के लिए colonization that is been helping us, it's been working over the things from which we've been able to process. And therefore जो historical use है colonization का for a period of time, वहाँ पे industrial और cultural progress भी देखी जाती है. and this way cultural और historical progress हो रही है, यहाँ पे cultural and historical progress हो रही है, ठीक है. That's why it has been affecting India. Okay, colonization, this way it happened. Identify the differences source. The third question. Identify the differences sources available for studying modern Indian history. Modern Indian history के लिए हमें किस तरह के sources चाहिए study करने को, and where are they preserved? So we have the sources of modern history on the same 8-page number. You have to write the introduction first of all, that a variety of sources of material are available for studying मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री. हमें मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री को पढ़ने के लिए बहुत सारे सोर्सेज हैं, एंड दिस ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव आर कैसे सोर्सेज है, रिकॉर्ड्स हैं, राइट. हमें यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड्स हम रख रहे हैं. वी हैव बीन डूइंग सर्वे भी किए थे हमने, राइट. देन हमारे पास आई विटनेस है, और हमारे पास क्या है आई विटनेस के अलावा व्हाट वी हैव बीन हैविंग, वी आर हैविंग लेटर्स, राइट. All these are things which have been used for the storage of Indian history, and how they have been preserved. They are preserved through administrative record. उसमें administrative, आप administrative record में कहोगे कि administrative record help to store it, in which two form, national archiver, okay, and second museum. Okay, the museum and archiver in दोनों के through stored है. So you have to explain this too also, and administrative record as well. Okay, I will form the PDF for this and send you, so that you've been able to write it in a right form. So you understand the questions. I hope if you have any doubt with these questions, you may ask me in the comment box. And after this, I will also send you the exercise work, but this will be your homework. I hope you all have done this question, the multiple choice questions, and as well as the match the following fill in the blank. We will discuss it in our class, so that when I send you the PDF, you can match the answers. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.